In a world where creativity and efficiency are the key words, there is a tool that stands out for its ability to turn ideas into reality. Imagine a device that accompanies you everywhere, unleashing your DIY potential without the constraints of traditional tools. This tool is a cordless portable circular saw, TE-CS 1850 Solo, from Einhell. A revolution in the world of DIY and gardening. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see hundreds of very satisfied customer reviews, and order yours right away. This product is ideal for passionate DIY enthusiasts and professionals looking for a portable, powerful, and precise sawing solution, free from the constraints of cords. Perfect for various projects at home, in the garden, or in a workshop where flexibility and mobility are essential. Designed for DIY enthusiasts who seek to combine power, precision, and mobility, this circular saw is your ideal partner for completing all your projects, from the simplest to the most ambitious. Lightweight, compact, and incredibly maneuverable, it defies conventions and opens up a field of endless possibilities for your cutting tasks, whether at home, in the garden, or in the garage. At the heart of this innovation is the Power Exchange Day Nail range, a true revolution that offers you complete freedom. Thanks to this technology, the constraints of cables and the endless search for a power outlet are a thing of the past. The powerful lithium-ion battery ensures unprecedented autonomy and mobility. And the best part is that all the batteries in the range are compatible with all power exchange devices, providing you with unmatched flexibility and savings. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from very satisfied customers. But that's not all. The innovation also lies in the details. With a maximum speed of 4,200 revolutions per minute, the TE-CS 1850 Solo achieves an impressive cutting depth of 48 mm at 90 degrees. And for those who seek perfection in every cut, the blade's tilt angle can be easily adjusted up to 45 degrees, quickly and without any tools required. Changing the blade is a breeze thanks to the spindle lock system, compatible with blades featuring a central bore of 10 or 16 mm. Precision is also guaranteed thanks to the high-performance aluminum base, ensuring unwavering stability during your cuts. And for optimal visibility, the integrated LED lamp illuminates your workspace, while the vacuum adapter keeps your cutting area clean, allowing you to work under the best conditions. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description and revolutionize your daily life. Small in size but big in performance, the Solo is packed with technologies designed to make your daily life easier. Sold without battery or charger to offer you more flexibility and customization in choosing your equipment, they are part of an economical and ecological approach, allowing you to use the batteries and chargers you already own or to select them based on your specific needs. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, mobility and just freedom of use. The cordless feature allows for use anywhere without worrying about the proximity of an electrical outlet. Advantage number 2, universal compatibility, is part of the power exchange range, allowing the same battery to be used for different Einhell tools. Advantage number 3, easy and quick adjustment. Tool-free adjustment of cutting depth and tilt angle for rapid adaptation to different tasks. Advantage number 4, lightweight and maneuverable. The compact design and lightweight make the tool easy to handle, even in tight spaces. Advantage number 5, integrated LED lighting. Improves visibility in dark work areas, increasing the precision of cuts. Advantage number 6, cleanliness of the work surface. The vacuum adapter helps keep the cutting area clean, thereby reducing debris and dust. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, limited battery life. The duration of use depends on the battery capacity, potentially requiring frequent recharges or the purchase of an additional battery for extended use. Ultimately, the TE-CS 1850 Solo cordless circular saw from Einhell is not just a simple tool. It is an invitation to push the boundaries of your creativity, to accomplish projects that matter to you with an ease and precision never before achieved. So, if you are ready to transform the way you DIY and enter a new era of freedom and efficiency, don't wait any longer. Click on the link in the description to order at the best price, discover hundreds or even thousands of reviews from satisfied customers, and see for yourself how this circular saw can change the way you work. Your next DIY project starts here with Einhell. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.